Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your account on Monopoly Go. So first of all, we're going to open the app and then we're going to press the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. It's then going to bring up this window and we're then going to press the settings button at the bottom. We are then going to press the green connect account button and then it opens up this window with these options. So I'm currently connected with Facebook, and what you can do is you can disconnect this account and then you can connect to a completely different Facebook account. We have created a video on how to do this if you need help with that. You can also sign in with Apple. So we are using an iPhone today. That's why we've got that option. Or the last option is to play with contacts. So you can sync with your contacts in your phone and then you can play with them. These are just some of the ways that you can change your account on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and if you can hit the like or subscribe button, it really helps our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.